how to log in to Robinhood account. So if you want to log in to Robinhood account, then first of all open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Robinhood, and then go for the first search, which is robinhood.com. Click on that, and then you can go for login, which is in the upper right. And here to log in, you have to first enter your email address and then you have to enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password or if you have forgotten your email address, then you will have an option to log in with passkeys, or you can also click on forgot your password to reset your password, or you can click on forgot your email address to recover your account. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it. And then if you want to be logged in up to 30 days, then you can click here so that it will keep you logged in on this device only. And after entering your information like your email and password, you can simply click on login and you will be logged into Robinhood account. So that's it. That's how you log in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.